The first wb&sons sale of 2022 was a roaring success, with the vast majority of the cars finding new homes. We've picked out some highlights that prove that the classic car community hasn't let January gloom dampen their spirit. Where better to start than the first car in our preview, the gorgeous 2002 Alfa Romeo GT V6 Cup, sold complete with the private reg for £8,950. Nearby was another red coupe. The 1976 Jaguar XJC was a project for the brave, but it sold above its estimate for £4,200. The pair of Bedford HA vans both sold, the 1974 Double Plus fetching a strong £11,018 final figure, and the 5,000 mile 1979 example sold for £15,050, surely a record for a Bedford HA. Remember that near mint Fiat Strada that Jeff drove? Well, it sold too, beating its lower estimate to fetch £5,050. Of a very similar era, the gorgeous Mercedes W123 280e sailed way past its £3,000 to £5,000 estimate to sell for £8,277. But sadly, not to me. The unique and fascinating Monk Special also found a new home, the one-off curio selling for a not inconsiderable £7,230. Once common but now a rarity, the early Mark III Cavalier also sold, its new owner paying £2,166 for this slice of 80s executive style. Someone fancying something hotter was taken by the V6 swapped 205 GTI, with the laser green Pug exceeding its £3,000 to £5,000 estimate to sell for £5,375. We couldn't not feature a Mini, as always, and the Japanese import 1999 Rover Cooper BSCC grabbed a price befitting of its immaculate condition, selling for £15,400. Those are just some of the cars that found new homes with wb&sons last week. The auction house started the year strong, and they're continuing the momentum with another sale in March. We'll be heading up to Newcastle to bring you a preview soon, but for now check out the wb&sons website for regular updates to their sales. And do let us know if anything tempts you. Our friends at Lancaster Insurance are giving you the chance to win this Sealy 12-volt cordless power tool kit, including hammer drill, ratchet wrench, impact driver, and more. Click the link in the description to enter, and good luck!